Hi everyone, it's Susie. Welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, Dragonfly Beez Resell Journey, thank you and welcome. This is, are we ready for another unbagging? This is at America's Thrift Supply bag, and this is part 2. I ordered 2 jewelry supply mystery boxes. Each one was £5, and it came from Birmingham, Alabama. So let's just get into the second bag. You saw the first one. Colorful. Wow, that's a big clip earring. Okay, let me pour this out onto the tray, and then we'll go over everything inside. Okay, here you have it. These look like earrings. I see a snake. Let me sort through this and I'll be right back. I ordered 2 boxes from you, the £5 jewelry boxes, but I did not expect a bag filled with only earrings. I don't know what I will do with this. I mean, okay, fine. I found 3 necklaces, but everything here is earrings. Okay, I sorted everything. It may not look like I did, but guess what? This entire tray is made up of single earrings. If I ordered a single earring lot, then I would be okay with it, I guess. But this is all that remains, and this is not even worth showing. It's wooden beads and some acrylic bead necklaces. And yeah, 95%, I would say, is single earrings. Now, a lot of them are broken, and a lot of them are missing rhinestones. There's a few that I found that were marked branded, so single earrings though. Like for instance, I think this one says Hong Kong. There's one that says Marvella. There's an Avon one. This one is really old. This is very nicely made. It says Star, so that's a really nice vintage one. So hopefully someone can find the matching one. There's a Coro, there's Trifari, and there's Monet. Other than that, I mean, this is completely unacceptable, I guess. Let me come in close so you can see what what this contains, because I'm gonna sell a single earring lot, and I'm telling you, this weighs more than 4 pounds. Okay, so now I'm gonna come in close so you see what it's made up of. There is a lot of clip earrings. Oh, look at this one. This is a clip earring. There's the clip. Look how long it is. Oh, this one's really pretty. This one is, yeah, that's the Marvella. Just a big variety. Oh, that's a pendant that I just threw in anyway. This one's really nice. It's glass cabochons. I don't see, it reminds me of some brand though that I've sold on Etsy. It's heavy too. Really beautiful. As we go close in, here's a open hoop. This one is pretty. Yeah, just a really big variety. I will bag this up and weigh it. So let's do that now. Okay. That's what's left over. Here is the bag. Let me put that tray down. Oh, escaped. Pop that back in. Bring my scale over. Let's weigh the bag. Yeah. This was a 5-pound jewelry mystery lot, and this bag weighs 4 pounds, 8.9 ounces. And you know what? I was starting a single earring lot, which is right here. And I'm going to add it to this bag. So, adding that to the bag, this comes out to 5 pounds, 9.4 ounces of single earrings. So, if anyone is interested, it's yours. And this is going to wrap this part 2 of the America's Thrift Supply box number 2, or should I say bag number 2 of their 5-pound mystery jewelry lot. And at this point, I'm going to have to break up with America's Thrift Supply. We no longer will communicate, and I will no longer buy anything from them. So you will get an email, and yeah, mystery jewelry supply, really? I got almost 5 pounds of single earrings, and it was not the best box I've ever gotten. Anyway, okay, if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy this type of content, please press that thumbs up button. Give me a like. That helps my channel grow. Please comment below. Tell me your thoughts. What do you think of my, yeah, I'm initiating this breakup. And also, if anyone wants to buy the single earring lot, all you have to do is email me at dragonflybeez@gmail.com, and we'll go from there. And let's see. In the meantime, oh, is that an ice cream truck outside? What was I saying? I lost my train of thought. In the meantime, oh, please subscribe. Yes, it's free to subscribe. And also, ring the bell, choose all notifications. That way you'll be alerted when I post new content. Thanks everyone for spending this very short time with me today, and I'll see you soon. Thanks again. Bye.